The girl who never gave up. There was a kind and beautiful girl named Anaya. She lived in a small village with her parents. Her family was poor, but they were honest. Anaya loved reading books every day. She dreamed of becoming a teacher. Many people laughed at her dreams. But she never became angry. She always smiled and worked hard. Every morning, she walked 5 kilometers to school. Sometimes it was very hot outside. Sometimes it rained heavily. But she never missed her classes. One day, she found a small wallet on the road. The wallet was full of money. Her family needed money badly. Still, she decided to find the owner. She looked around carefully. An old man was crying near a tree. She asked him what happened. The old man said he had lost his wallet. Anaya gave the wallet back to him. The old man became very happy. He thanked her with tears in his eyes. He asked, "Why didn't you keep the money?" Anaya smiled softly. She said, "Honesty is more valuable than money." The old man was actually a famous school owner. He was surprised by her honesty. He decided to help her. He paid for all her education. Years passed very quickly. Anaya studied day and night. She never forgot her parents' sacrifices. Finally, she became a teacher. She returned to her village. She opened a free school for poor children. Many children joined her school. She taught them with love and kindness. The villagers were proud of her. The old man visited her school one day. He saw hundreds of happy children. He smiled and said, "Your honesty changed many lives." Anaya looked at the sky. She remembered her difficult days. She thanked God for everything. She believed that kindness always returns. Her story inspired many young girls. They started believing in their dreams. They learned that hard work never fails. And they understood that honesty is true wealth. Moral: never give up on your dreams, and always be honest because good deeds always come back to you.